And the deal was that the book had to sell 10,000 copies for me to start getting 10% of the cover, which was the royalty in those days. Well, it took 3 weeks to sell 10,000 copies because there were hobby shops in America, and this was a brand new book, and I think there were 7,000 hobby shops in those days in existence. You know, and they all bought a couple of books. You know, bing, we were in business.
So we're going to replace all the bad track under here and get rid of some of these joints and hopefully have some maintenance-free operation.
I have a great bunch of friends that have built the layout and made it into what you see today. It's constantly evolving, and I'm changing it all the time. I'm a craftsman structure guy. I like buildings. My friends joke that sometimes they think I'm ready to tear up the track on my layout just so I can put down more buildings.
You know, some glue and some paint, a couple of small tools, and you can try it out. You know, you can try it out for less than $150, and if you like it, if it sticks, then, you know, it'll grab you forever.